Oh. Morning. This is not a normal day for me to release a video, but I had to talk about this. So today I go to the mail and I have this. A package with a lawsuit. Yep. I've not been on YouTube that long, and one of the things that has made me most nervous has been to talk about other YouTubers or celebrities and, you know, call them out and critique their work. And well, I did that not long ago and it paid out pretty well for my channel. And I did a video about Meet Kevin, you know, the popular finance guru YouTuber. He's got some courses. It costs a lot of money. I did a video on it. I thought I spoke pretty highly of it. I must have said some things that I shouldn't have. And so now Meet Kevin is suing me. And on top of that, you know, I've been an active member of his Discord community and his course for quite some time now, even before I made that video. And this morning I wake up to this. He's just banned me from all of it. So I no longer have access to his course content, no longer have access to his Discord, and on top of that, there is a big fat lawsuit coming my way. Sure wish I would have listened to his course about getting that media insurance at this point in time. So I'm gonna be talking with my lawyers today and seeing what options I have. Kevin, if you're watching this, I love your content. You know, it was not out of malice. In fact, your video you did exactly 1 year ago today has really inspired me. In fact, it inspired this video to talk about when I listened to you talk about how Tesla sued you. And then we all came out to find out it was just an April Fool's joke. But seriously, thank you for everything you do. If anyone's interested in Meet Kevin's course, there's links in the description. They're very, very valuable. Thanks for the idea. And maybe I got a few of you like Meet Kevin got me last year. See ya.